Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you inputting. Remember to watch in 1080p because it looks better. But yeah, inputting. It's very easy. You need inputting all the time if you're actually going to do C++. So let's get started. Load up your compiler and wait for that to load. Never mind. New file, empty file, save. Let's do this as inputting 1-4 .cpp. Remember to put .cpp. I forgot to tell you guys that. Anyways, save it. Let's start out with the basics. Include iostream using namespace std. Our main function. Alright, so inputting. There are different types of inputs that are variables. There's integers, which is int, characters, which is char, whatever you want to call it. There's boolean logic, which is bool. There's double, which is the same thing as float, and float and double are decimals. Strings, for strings, which are like words, I guess. You can just type a word, that's a string. I'll show you guys each and every one of these. So first we'll do int, and then you gotta name it something. And there are a couple of rules for naming. I should have them. Okay, yeah. They can be created from letters, numbers, camelNaming, which is this. That's camelNaming. Underscores, but they can never start with a number, and they can never start with a symbol. Wow. Okay. They can never start with a symbol. They should be short and descriptive, not long and retarded. Remember, short and simple. Keep it short and simple, stupid. Anyways, variable names are case sensitive. So for example, if you had num1 and it started out lowercase n, like that, it would be different from n capital UM1. Keywords cannot be used as variable names. Keywords are these: int, character, bool, double, float, strings, and anything else such as void and that kind of thing. But anyway, let's get to it. Int num1, and then you gotta put your semicolon to end that statement. Let's ask for an input. So cout input number 1. And cn is used for inputting. You should know that already, since I told you guys. And you can't use this. You have to use the opposite. That it has to be that all the time. As you can see, you're inputting from the console into a variable. As you can see, this thingamajig, it's pointing into the variable, right? Right, yeah, whatever. Semicolon. After that, you want to output that, so let's say cout you inputted, and then put num1 and l. I think you should know this by now, that every time you put in a yeah, I told you already. But yeah, that would be for integers. Let's compile it, and Input number 1. Let's see. 5. You inputted 5. Okay, good enough. I don't care. Now we want to do. We don't want to do character right now. It's not that important. Boolean. That's for mainly for different things. Let's do double, float, and string. Alright, double des1, which is gonna it's gonna be a decimal, so it's des1. Cout input a decimal number, and cin we're gonna input again to des1. And then we're gonna output you inputted des1, okay, and sorry I was on my phone, but you inputted oh whoops, I forgot to put this. Remember, you have to put that. But yeah, nobody cares, right? Let's compile it again. No errors, no warnings. Play it. Input number 1, 5. Input a decimal number 600.300 245. Oh my god, that's what I input. Okay. What's next? Float. Float. Des2, since it's gonna be decimal 2. Cout. Input another decimal number. And cin pec2. We're gonna output what you input. You inputted, and then and out. Alright, we got that down. Let's see if we got any errors this time. No, we didn't. Alright, let's try this again. 5, input a decimal, 1.5, input another decimal, 1.89. Oops, no, I don't care. It works. But those are the basic ones you will ever use. You will use Boolean, but you'll usually use it as a global variable or something for loops. You won't really use it for inputting. That's basically it, you guys. I'm gonna go over functions in the next video. So hopefully you liked it, learned something. See you in the next one. Yay.